Hi, in this video, I'll demonstrate how to change the course dates in Canvas. This is not exactly an intuitive process. In order to change the dates so that students can actually work on the course during the dates, you're going to go into your course, click on Settings in the lower left. At the top of the screen, click on Sections, then click on the link for your section, then click Edit Section on the right. Next, you just change the date to whatever date you want to set it to. I already did this earlier, so I'll just change it to a slightly different date. Let's change it to January 3rd, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Okay, and then I'll click on Update Section, and it looks like nothing changed. You see, it still says December 31st. However, if I click on Home and then go back into Settings, and then again back to Sections at the very top of the screen, click on the link, it'll show that now the end date is January 3rd.